This wig, the texture, the styling, this is a frontal and I put it down without glue. Okay, so this is a glueless frontal. When I say glueless, I mean actually glueless. And yeah, it's glueless. It was pre-cut, pre-styled, pre-everything, and it is Yaki straight texture. This is their ombre chestnut Yaki straight, and it is so beautiful. I mean, you can see this wig is so beautiful. Yeah, it's a wig I rock all the time because of how versatile it is. I wore it straight and now I'm wearing it, you know, slightly wavy because I tried to coil it a little bit. I didn't want it to have too many coils. That's why it looks like this. And because it's a frontal, you can wear it up, you can wear it down, you can, you know, pack it, you can just remove it from your face if you're feeling too hot. Like, it's such a versatile style, and I'm sure you guys are going to love it. Okay, like I said, the link is going to be in my description box so you can check it out. But if you want to see how I styled this wig, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to go ahead now and put the tape down exactly where I want it to be, and I want this one to be here. So I like to use the tail of the comb to just press it down really well. Can you see that blend, you guys? I mean, I'll cover up the tape a little bit, like I'll still blend it a little more, but are you seeing how seamless that's already looking? Okay, let me put on this side. So it is exactly where you want it to be. You see that clean hairline, you guys? Are you seeing how clean this hairline is looking? It looks like my hair, but better. Okay, you guys, I'm going to leave a link to this wig in the description box and all the details about it. Okay, like, I mean, I've reviewed this kind of wig several times, so by now you should know what to expect, especially from Nadula hair. You always expect quality. So as always, I'm going for a clean hairline. You can actually do baby hairs and all of that if that's your vibe, but that's not my vibe. So I will go for just a very clean hairline. Thank God the hairline has been done really well, so you don't need to do too much to achieve that clean look. And you don't have to use, I'm using liquid mousse, you can use regular mousse. I just like to separate it a bit just so that it will give that brushed hairline look. Like, I separate a bit of clumps together. Alright, that was easy. Frontals are now so easy because of these double-sided tapes, and I love when companies like Nadula just put the tape for you and, you know, style the frontal for you, so you're not doing too much. However, when you want to wear it another time, just take off the tape and then put this new one. Like, take off the old tape just with water, it comes off easily. Then you put a new one and just wear the wig again. Okay, I'm going to be using my trusted blow dryer brush to blow dry the hair straight and, you know, straighten it really well. Then after that, as usual, I'll coil it. I might end up doing a side part, I'm not sure, but you can actually part it on either side to make it a side part. You can also do half up, half down hairstyle, but for right now, let me just do center parting with the clean hairline. Okay. So that's the straight look, you guys. I am going to go ahead now and coil it as per usual. Okay, but if you want to get this wig, the link is in the description box as always with all the details. Okay, now is the time to get it if you want to get it. Can you see that clean hairline? I really love how easy it was to install this frontal. Like, this is a frontal, and it's like, I did it in under how many minutes? So there are different styles you could do. You could do the half up, half down hairstyle. Let me do that before I go ahead now and coil it